With summer behind us, it's time to gear up for fall with all the essentials. Cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice in literally everything, and the greatest holiday of the year? Halloween. If you're the proud owner of one of our projectors, then you know that movie night during spooky season is a cut above the rest. However, the Halloween festivities aren't just limited to watching scary movies on your projector. With a few steps, you can use your projector to turn an ordinary doorway or window into a haunted Halloween display. Here's what you'll need. First, you'll need your projector. We'll be using the PJ40, but any of our LCD projectors should do the trick. Next up, you'll want a sheer or semi-transparent fabric such as gauze, tulle, or bridal mesh. You'll use this fabric to create a screen over your doorway or window. Be sure to measure your desired location ahead of time to determine how much fabric to get. We'll be using white tulle fabric as it's very affordable and easy to find in larger pieces. You'll also need something to fasten the fabric in place. This could be push pins, tape, or small nails, depending on your preference. Last but not least, you'll need some video files of the things you want to display. We'll provide some links in the description to get you started. Now, go to the window or door frame where you'd like to position your display. Take your fabric and gently stretch it across the frame until the entire frame is covered by a layer of fabric. Secure the fabric in place with small nails, tape, or push pins. If there are a lot of LED decorations or street lamps nearby, you may need to add a second layer of fabric in order to get a better image. Doing this will help you adjust the amount of light that shines through to the other side of the fabric to get an optimal picture. Do your best to keep the fabric as taut as possible, just like a standard projector screen. Now it's time to get spooky. Load your favorite visual effect videos onto a USB drive and plug it into your projector. Select the file and hit play, and your file will display on the fabric. Adjust the brightness on your projector as well as any ambient light near the projection area to maximize the picture quality. Just like that, you've got a fully customizable Halloween decoration that doesn't break the bank. This technique works best for Halloween, but don't let that stop you from using it for any holiday. As always, reach out to us at cs@nexigo.com if you have any questions about our projectors. See you next time!